Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Google's latest release in the audio world, the Google Pixel Buds Pro 2. These new earbuds are packed with advanced features and improvements, aiming to compete with the best wireless earbuds out there. Let's break down everything you need to know. First up, let's talk about the design and new features. The Pixel Buds Pro 2 carry over Google's sleek and comfortable design with an ergonomic fit that makes them perfect for long listening sessions. This time, Google has introduced new color options and a refined look that's stylish and practical. Now, on to the features. The Pixel Buds Pro 2 come with improved active noise cancellation, or ANC, and transparency mode, giving you more control over what you hear. ANC blocks out external noise more effectively, while transparency mode lets you stay aware of your surroundings when you need to. With upgraded drivers and enhanced sound processing, you'll also notice deeper bass and crisper highs, delivering a well-rounded sound experience. Battery life is another area where the Pixel Buds Pro 2 really shines. Google claims up to 8 hours of playback on a single charge, even with ANC on, and with the charging case, you can extend that to up to 28 hours. Plus, a quick 5-minute charge gives you about an hour of playback, so you'll always have enough power when you need it. Connectivity has also seen improvements with Bluetooth 5.3, making pairing faster and more stable. For Android users, pairing is seamless with Google Fast Pair, and you can now easily switch between multiple devices. The Buds Pro 2 also support multi-point connectivity, so you can stay connected to 2 devices at once. And of course, they're fully integrated with Google Assistant, so you can control your music, manage calls, and get updates hands-free. Now, let's get into sound quality. Google has optimized the sound profile on the Pixel Buds Pro 2, delivering balanced audio with punchy bass and clear vocals. These earbuds also feature spatial audio support, which creates a more immersive listening experience, especially when watching movies or playing games. Whether you're a bass lover or someone who prefers a more natural sound, the Pixel Buds Pro 2 come with an EQ feature, allowing you to customize the sound to your preference. Finally, the call quality has seen improvements as well, with updated microphones and noise reduction, ensuring your voice sounds clear even in noisy environments. This makes the Buds Pro 2 ideal for taking calls on the go, whether you're in a busy office or out for a walk. Overall, the Google Pixel Buds Pro 2 are a solid upgrade, offering better sound, more customization, and longer battery life. If you're in the market for high-quality wireless earbuds that seamlessly integrate with your Android device, these could be a great option. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech updates. See you in the next video.